Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Wish Tarot. Sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the read and how have you been? So, if you're new to the channel, what I have messages on me. Okay, so this is a window, not a 3D, but a simple version of a window. WINDOW. There is something connected with yourself, something is connected with you, okay? Something that you've closed the window and you are inside taking a break for yourself, for healing, for anything that you wish to do, to remove and extract yourself from any type of chaos or things like that. Okay, that's what I see right now. And I also see a lot of water emotions outside the window, but you don't want to deal with that right now, or you don't wish to, you don't wish that everything that is like emotions over there outside you have logged, they should come inside. So you don't want that right now. Something is connected with the emotional situation of your life, or basically you just don't want to deal with the outside world or chaos or mess, or something has to do with you specifically but also outside. So you are just not letting it in, or you're not letting someone's emotions touch you. That's what I see. There could be very heavy water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also see tree. So maybe you've talked with this person prior. Um, could be a long-term relationship because I see a proper tree. Okay, maybe this is connected with some kind of promise they've done. Okay, or they did. That's also connected with that, or a long time of connection with this person. However, this fits with you. I see very heavy earth sign as well, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, these are the signs that I'm getting right now, but what else? I do feel like this could be some kind of place where they're trying to connect with you, or they'll send you the message. It does depend, okay? But someone over here, and I feel like it's your energy, you being like maybe waiting in a way of like not directly showing and waiting, but just waiting, um, waiting for improvement of the situation or change in this time, and something is connected with that. Now, this is like a quiet moment, but it will feel like, I don't know why I'm seeing a lot of water outside your window, because it doesn't make sense. Because if you're seeing from your window ocean, beach, it's a different thing. What I am seeing is like water is surrounding. Okay, there are some sounds coming in my room. Let it be. So what I see is a lot of water outside, just outside the window. Okay, but nothing can touch you, nothing can come inside unless and until you open that window. So it's on you to decide, it's on you to read the message. Maybe there are many emotional messages, there are messages in some app or something, and that's why maybe I'm also seeing window what kind of like app or notification. We'll see. There is, now for some of you, there is something that is connected with your personal communication. 0404 recording time, this communication with certain person that is going on the side, and you just keeping it low and private. Of course, there's no need to show off, like you don't want to, you don't show it on like via reels or posts or stories. Nobody can predict what's up with you. Nobody knows it, know it. Nobody can, can get a hint or a clue from your stories even. Like it's like so complicated. Like you just keep it like that. Someone may feel like you are single, and someone may feel like you're not, and someone may feel like what's up. Like you are that kind of energy. Okay, so you have this energy of like shh, because I see for some cases there is someone you're talking to, or you'll end up talking very soon. I do feel like there is someone. Okay, could be a new bird in your territory or something. I also see like there could be age gap of 9 years. Could be not for all. Okay, you could be younger, you could be older. It depends, but that's what I see. Okay, let's see. Did I say like I just did the cut and you got this? It's Queen of Chalices, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. A lot of water. I do feel this person is outside that window. Like that makes sense. They're outside, they're not inside because either you're not like right now interested in entertaining anyone, which doesn't mean that you are hating on someone or something like that. No, it just means that maybe one, you're not ready. Two, you're just preparing yourself, of course. That's what you're not ready. Three, you're just protecting yourself, of course. When I do like this you won't be able to see the card clear because this deck is with me from years. You see the faded version? I bet. I just took it today. Eight of Wands energy. Do you see the rush? Someone is in. Someone is going to connect with you. They're in rush, and this is not you. It's not you. It's this person. It's this person's energy. It is someone who is willing to, happy to, wanting to, desiring to. They just want to talk to you. Okay? The messages outside, and that means via app or something, maybe going into archive. I don't know this, but there is someone who's coming right. This energy is so excited to talk with you, and there's going to be mystery to this connection, which is again both of you willingly will connect, even if you are taking a little bit of time, but willingly people are going to be mutually connecting, but you people are not going to post this. You shouldn't. Evil is real. Some people do it, they do it, and it's their will. And it's nothing like you cannot, but I don't know. But this energy here, I can feel like both of you are going to be of same thinking. That's what I feel. Okay, you both are of same thinking. 080, it was the timing. You don't, you feel the same the way this person feels, and they feel the same like you feel. Like you both have this energy of like not to do the show off or something, and keeping a low profile regarding. And it's not that you don't want to accept this in, or they don't want to accept this in front of their dear and loved ones. No, that's a different thing. It's just that they don't want to ruin this. They don't want to bruise this. And someone wrote that it's bruised or bruise, right? Thank you. Um, so there is someone who's connecting, and it's very interesting. This is your card. Aquarius is 0909 recording time. This is your card. I thought today to take different deck because I wanted to show you different form of energies, like different pictures, because it is interesting to know. Then I have decks, and I have so many decks, like so. It's like you may hear from certain person suddenly good morning, like when the sun is going to rise you're going to hear good morning, and very specific good morning. Or you're going to hear in a way of like they're going to write to you good evening because its sun is setting. Okay, and that's what I see. So even if you don't open that app, but you know, like from top, that there's a message, right? I don't know how to exaggerate all these things right now, but I know this is the best exaggeration that I can give you. Okay, someone is having dreams of you. In front of me, there's a word dreams, which is insane that we see the word when it is required. And there are pink roses in front of me, which is again very insane. What? And there's nearby, there's heart. I always do readings in this room, but there are things like a treasure. So this person, I do feel it's coming. Someone is having a cat or cats, or look at this. It's going to be very mysterious connection, but it's going to be beautiful connection. So talk. And I think more of like we need someone to talk than to make love. I mean, that is also important. But I don't know who does want that and who does want just talk. I do feel like in this present scenario around the globe, we need good people to talk to. I do feel that personally. We need people to share things a little bit. We need someone to make us laugh. We need some energies we can sip coffee with, tea with. We can just have ice cream. We are just strolling. There is no compulsion and there is no pressure that what if I'm with this person, they're going to touch me. No, no, it is all about consent. But what I mean here is that the people we need to connect with, they should just take care of us in a certain way. And we should, and same goes that we also take care of them. Like when they talk to us, they feel good. It's not always about, that's the last thing on my mind. Okay, the last thing on my mind is about thinking about physical. I need first different things. So let's see what is coming. Whew. I hope you're not bored today with me. I hope you enjoy my readings. I hope when I am talking, because I am talking to camera, but you people are watching me from the other side when this is being published. So it's a whole beautiful concept here, okay? Like I feel like I'm talking and you people all are sitting there when we are talking, okay? So yeah, this is interesting. Let's see what is coming. So what is coming is communication. What is coming is some of your travel, or someone is going to travel and connect with you. What is coming is a movement. What is coming is number 8. Number 8 could be in 8 hours or 8 days. Things are going to be changing in your scenario. I'm telling you that, darling. Aquarius. Maybe in just 8 days coming, you are going to be well prepared to open the window and receive the pages and messages and all that stuff, which is again very good. So, yeah, someone is asking to stay in touch with you. They want to talk. I'm again, oh, I did the channeling of this song way back. Hello. Okay. I'm just going to name, like spell it. Adele. Edel. I don't know the right pronunciation. Sometimes I know it and I go wrong sometimes on camera. I don't know. Cause whatever. But you know her, right? So her song, and I just spelled it right, okay? So hello. You are going to see or hear hello. Now this could be anyone. Anyone who is connected with your timeline. Say hello to her if you can. I just heard broken hearts shall meet. Broken hearts shall meet. And the card flipped is amazing. Whoever is feeling broken, whoever is feeling when it's going to go right, whoever is feeling that this time it should go right, whoever is feeling like whatever is coming in your life now is going to be for a soul purpose. I do feel that this is going to be soul friendship, soul connection, soul love, soul romance, soul transition. Because it's like a time that you're like this, cutting ties out, contacts out, disconnecting with energies, letting people go because they want to. Okay, you're not tying them to yourself, you're rather just detachment process, whatever that is. I was just looking here to the card. Okay, so if you see, where am I seeing, I'm seeing here. So it's Eight of Swords, so something is definitely connected with eight as well. Some of you might be going through this kind of thing like from 8 months or so, right? But look at this, it's like final touch to the, like, I'm going to cut it, she's doing it, let it go. Did I talk about tree in this reading, right? Or in the previous one, I don't remember. Look at my channeling, I just channel and I forget if it is about or not. Still there's a tree. Okay, I think I talked about that. um like it's finally letting go because there are no leaves and you cannot make nest. So, and then you have this energy because it came first, this is your energy. Eight of Wands, you're going to run, but this is a masculine and here she is, it's she. So basically someone is coming. And the card that flipped is Ace of Cup, Ace of Chalice, Ace of Chalices. Look at this, very beautiful, very beautiful. It's full moon. You also see the phases in here, right? The phases you've been through possible, but this is a love offer. It's admiration, it's appreciation, it's love, it's an offer of friendship. It's anything, but it's love related. It's emotions, emotional something is coming through. Okay, so this person is coming to talk with you. Emotional communication, offer, anything. Just look at this, just picture it. Just picture this, even if I don't say anything, like, let me be quiet. It's love communication, love talk. And these things can happen only when you just let it go, all release. And also release the expectations as well. Like, this is going to go this way, this is going to go, oh, let it be. If you enjoy it. Like, be in the moment to talk things out. You never know, when people say, like, I thought like I should just talk once, what can happen? And many things can happen, nice ones, right? Two of Chalices, you're about to meet someone, whether it's a reunion or union of some sort. There's a companion coming in your life. They're going to talk with you lot. Okay, just to let you know the features, a little bit of this masculine, uh, long hair. Okay, shoulder length, could be shoulder length, could be like this much. Okay, but long, not the boy cut proper, but different. Clean shaved possible for some. No mustache, no beard. Clean. They have this here something like a shape on chin, little bit. Little bit. Okay. May have a proper Adam's apple. Okay. May have. Proper. Very visible. Very much. Okay. Uh, very loving, full of emotions. This person is very loving. Okay, you'll know when they'll come. What is coming in future for Aquariuses? Okay, whoa. I just said very loving. You got King of Chalices. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Very loving, very emotional, very sorted, very calm, but very possessive. They won't be able to see you like close to anyone. Like, they want you to know that um, that I want to be yours, and please understand that don't go close to people, male energy especially, or vice versa. And this person is very strong in their decisions. Once they make this decision, they are with that. So their emotional stability is very strong, and not dominating, but possessive about you. No control, not controlling. This person is coming from a place of healing, okay, experiences, and strong vision. And they could be heavy Pisces as well. But let me tell you that they are just emerging in your life from the water that I told you. Like the water that I told you is outside the window, and you will know by the time you're going to connect with them. Okay. Look, Knight of Wands. An offer is going to be here. And bottom energy is Temperance, Sagittarius. But look at this. One gone or someone gone won't be a problem for you in the coming time to settle with someone who's going to be right for you, or connect with someone. Um, I do feel like it's going to be balanced. This is Temperance, but look at this. The energy is trying to convey that one you were watering, the other one is going to come to you and share that water with you, okay? Not drain you. So take care and see you soon. Bye bye.